Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 1992. The given question is which page replacement policy sometimes leads to more page faults when the size of the memory is increased. So basically this question is a direct theoretical question, guys, and if you recall, we discussed a concept called as a Bilet's NMLA, right? Yes, so that Bilet's NMLA is found in a FIFO, guys. Okay, and what exactly that Bilet's NMLA says is, so basically whenever any kind of algorithm which you are applying, so if you are using n frames, the result will be assume in that way. So assume that we are using 3 frames. So we got the result as a 10. So most probably, if you are using 4 frames, the value of these faults, so these are the faults and these are the frame numbers, should reduce, right? But whenever you are using a FIFO, it might increase also. So that is nothing but the Bilet's NMLA. So there is a particular proof. I took an example in our course lecture, guys. Okay, and this exact topic we have already discussed in computer organization also. So you might check in that playlist or in operating system. So in both of these subjects, you can find this particular FIFO example with respect to this Bilet's NMLA. Okay, and this question is really a popular question, guys. I'm being 100% clear. This particular question of Bilet's NMLA is given around 5 to 10 times in GATE, guys. Like in multiple ways, like in true or false, like in this way statements and many ways. Okay, anyway, while we are going to this particular PYQPs, you will understand everything. Okay, yes, so I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.